Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm XM5 mirrorless digital camera with XC15 45mmF3.5 5.6 OIS PZ lens kit in silver is an impressive combination of style, portability, and advanced photography features. The design exudes a classic charm with its sleek silver finish, making it visually appealing for both casual users and serious photographers alike. Weighing in at just over a pound, it's incredibly lightweight, perfect for travel or everyday carry. One of the standout features of the XM5 is its 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, which delivers stunning image quality, rich colors, and impressive dynamic range. This sensor, coupled with the X processor 4, ensures fast performance and efficient image processing capabilities. Users will appreciate the low-light performance, allowing for sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. The XC15 45mm lens included in the kit offers versatility, covering a wide range of everyday shooting scenarios from landscapes to portraits. The built-in optical image stabilization, OIS, provides smooth video recording and minimizes blurriness in still images, making it particularly useful for handheld shooting. The camera features a fully articulating 3-inch LCD touchscreen, ideal for composing shots from various angles and for vlogging. Additionally, the electronic viewfinder is bright and responsive, offering a clear view of your subject even in bright sunlight. The intuitive menu system and customizable controls make it easy to access vital settings quickly. For connectivity, the XM5 includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, facilitating quick image transfer to smartphones and easy sharing on social media platforms. Battery life is commendable, allowing for extended shooting sessions without frequent recharges, a crucial factor for long days out. In summary, the Fujifilm XM5 is a remarkable mirrorless camera that blends advanced technology with a user-friendly experience, perfect for photographers of all levels seeking quality without the bulk. Whether capturing everyday moments or breathtaking landscapes, it excels in delivering exceptional results.